Class 3 drones occupy a unique position in the drone ecosystem. They are not your typical consumer drones or large-scale, highly specialized military-grade UAVs. Instead, they represent a balance, offering professional-grade capabilities while adhering to a structured regulatory environment. So, what exactly are Class 3 drones? In the European Union, these drones are defined under Delegated Regulation, EU 2019/945, and Implementing Regulation, EU 2019/947, overseen by the European Union Aviation Safety Agency, or EASA. Key features include a maximum takeoff mass of less than 25 kilograms and a maximum characteristic dimension of under 3 meters. They are electrically powered, equipped with geo-awareness functions, and crucially, they must have direct remote identification capabilities. Now, let's discuss the regulations. EASA categorizes drones based on risk, and Class 3 drones fall under the open category, specifically the A3 subcategory. This categorization is designed for low-risk operations. However, it comes with significant limitations. Specifically, these drones must be operated in areas where the pilot can guarantee that no uninvolved persons are present. This effectively restricts their use in densely populated areas. Furthermore, a minimum horizontal distance of 150 meters from residential, commercial, industrial, or recreational areas must be maintained. Airspace restrictions are also in place, limiting operation to uncontrolled airspace below 120 meters above ground level and within visual line of sight. Despite these restrictions, Class 3 drones have found numerous applications. In agriculture, they are used for precision farming, monitoring crop health, and optimizing resource use. In infrastructure inspection, they assess the integrity of structures like bridges and power lines, enhancing safety and efficiency. Environmental monitoring benefits from their use in wildlife tracking and deforestation analysis. Search and rescue operations utilize their capabilities for locating missing persons in challenging environments. And in land surveying, they provide high-precision mapping and 3D modeling. The advantages of Class 3 drones lie in their balance of performance and regulatory flexibility. They offer significant capabilities while maintaining manageable safety and compliance requirements. As drone technology continues to evolve, we can expect further advancements in air traffic management and automation, potentially expanding the operational scope of Class 3 drones. If you want to stay ahead in the world of drones, don't forget to like and subscribe for more drone content. Join the future.